How can I use Python to get the system host name? I'm writing a chat program for a local network. I would like be able to identify computers and get the user set computer name with Python.
Use socket and its hostname functionality. This will get the hostname of the computer where the Python interpreter is running.
Both of these are pretty portable. Any solutions using the host or hostname environment variables are not portable. Even if it works on your system when you run it, it may not work when run in special environments such as cron.
You will probably load the OS module anyway, so another suggestion would be
What about? Actually, you may want to have a look to all the results in platform.uname.
Ich laufe an, Pause einmal, per se consiglere subscribing.